Hello, this is a Team Associated T4.2 and I am going to show you how to jump. I'm using a jump that's probably 4 to 5 foot long. Got a pretty wide landing, but the only problem is that it's a skinny arch. And I'm going to show y'all how to jump. So I'm trying to figure out a place to set y'all up. Oh, I know where. Hopefully y'all can see. I'm gonna go around. There we go. Alright, I am going to... But what I did was when I hit the ramp and I was going to land on my back tires, I tapped the brakes and it went nose first. So it tilted forwards. Alright, this is my Team Associated T4.2. It's got an 8.5 reading motor in the back, running on a 2-cell Lipo. Alright, this was Austin Palooza RC, and bye.